control. Two words so simple, yet radically life-changing. Words that liberate you, empower you, transform you from a victim of circumstance to an architect of destiny. Let's face it, for far too long, we've relied on global trends, the stock market and 401ks to bring us security. Then we watched, helplessly, as our jobs were outsourced, our companies downsized, and our investments dwindled. If you've been expecting others to tell you what you should be paid, what your retirement is worth, or how high you can climb in your career, it's time to take control. After all, doing nothing to change your course of action will do nothing to change your future. So how can you take control of your future? Live a life that's debt-free. Secure a future for your children. How can you retire early or give generously to a worthy cause? Take control of your time and spend more of it with loved ones. Start your own business without risking everything. How can you partner with executives and scientists who lead their field with decades of experience? Most importantly, how can you find a way to live rather than simply survive? If these questions plague you, Kivana is your answer. The truth is, what you don't know about direct sales could be costing you millions. Consider the traditional business model where a company pays to develop a product, pays to have its product sit on a store shelf, and pays to advertise and drive people to the purchase location. Then they cross their fingers and hope for good fortune. Sound scary? It often is. Fortunately, your business success is no longer at the mercy of others. With our new concept in direct sales, your results are directly related to your efforts. It's a world where you're in control, where your future rests safely in your hands, where you determine how much effort you'll apply and how many hours you'll work, and where those hours are spent, where you decide how you'll build and who you'll build with. It's a world of low startup costs, unlimited earning potential, and amazing business results. By deciding it's your time and your turn to live the life you've always wanted, your future now becomes possible, and Kivana is your answer. Fortune magazine called direct sales the best-kept secret in the business world. Billionaire Warren Buffett calls his direct sales company the best investment he's ever made. Tom Peters, author of 14 best-selling business books, lauds direct sales as the first revolutionary marketing shift in the last 50 years, while Robert Kiyosaki, multimillionaire, and author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, calls direct sales the perfect business. Author and Nobel Prize-winning economist Paul Zane Pilzer says home-based businesses are one of the fastest-growing segments in our economy, and that trend will only continue as the age of the corporation, which began barely a century ago, now gives way to the age of the entrepreneur. So, why are the world's top financial experts acclaiming the direct sales industry? Because our industry has experienced 91% growth over the last decade, with annual sales exceeding $30 billion in the United States and $100 billion worldwide. Those are big numbers, and they've led to a literal explosion of home-based startup companies. If you've never explored the direct sales industry, it goes something like this. First, you tap into a product, system, infrastructure, or sales platform to build your business. Similar to buying a franchise, your product, system, and expertise are already in place, and it's your responsibility to grow the franchise. Choosing the right company is critical, though, because your future is only as bright as the company behind you. Unfortunately, not all companies are created equal, and few offer lucrative economic opportunities. Did you know that of tens of thousands of direct sales company launches, less than 1% of those companies have survived? Of that 1%, a scant fraction of companies have hit momentum and gone to create millionaires, and Kivana is one of them. That's because at Kivana, we're redefining the direct sales industry. We're making it less about selling products and more about growing entrepreneurial successes. We're setting industry records, and we want you to participate in the success. Thousands of people chose to partner with Kivana on the day we opened for business. We achieved industry record sales that day, and we've been cash flow positive and debt-free ever since. That's impressive, But this is just the beginning. Even more exciting, though, are the thousands of people who have joined Kivana since that day and are busy writing their own Kivana success story. The facts speak for themselves. In the first year of Kivana's business, tens of millions of commission dollars were paid to our independent business owners. In our short history, Kivana has grown bigger than 97% of American businesses, offering marketing and product systems the world has never seen. The fact is, real opportunity seekers who conduct their due diligence simply can't say no to Kivana. You too can become part of Kivana's team of industry innovators. We are here to help you realize what you've always been inside: happy, excited, alive. When you take advantage of Kivana now, you'll have a front row seat as this industry giant capitalizes on the worldwide explosion of all natural health and wellness products. How has Kivana quickly become the benchmark of the industry? We owe our record-breaking start to 4 absolutely critical components that set Kivana apart from our competitors. Many direct sales companies start with a great product idea, but become bogged down by inexperienced leaders who've never created, built, or expanded a company. The result? Limited success, followed quickly by failure. Why? Because of a startling inability to anticipate growth. And how can you expect a company to become an industry giant if the owners can't manage an industry giant? At Kivana, the resumes of our owners and field leadership are unequaled. Each key player has held pivotal executive positions at some of the world's largest companies, and it's this level of experience that has spurred Kivana's hyper-growth. Consider this. How confident would you be in a new electronics company that Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple, created? Or a shoe company that Nike founder Phil Knight was launching? Just as these proven leaders have created and led billion-dollar companies in their industries, Kivana has also assembled a group of owners that reflect a who's who list in the direct sales and nutrition industries. Our expert field leaders have organized and collectively led millions of people, and our world-renowned doctors have pioneered and driven the global acceptance of nutritional products. Together, they form a winning combination of iconic leadership, a winning combination of experts that you can partner with. Let's meet these accomplished Kivana owners. Derek Hall is Kivana's Chief Executive Officer. Derek is the former Chief Sales Officer of McKesson Drug Company, the largest pharmaceutical company in the world. He's also the former president and CEO of Nature's Way, one of the largest natural product companies in the world, as well as Botanicals International and Univera. Derek is a brilliant leader who has made his fortune creating billion-dollar enterprises. Craig Johansson is Kivana's Chief Marketing Officer and served as a Senior Brand Manager for Tahitian Noni and the Vice President of Marketing for Zango, 2 of the largest direct sales companies in the world. Craig is an innovator and a marketing genius recognized for building powerful brands. Next, Devin Glazier, Kivana's Chief Financial Officer, was a former financial analyst at the billion-dollar software giant Novell. He was also the Senior Director of Finance at Zango. Devin is a financial guru who helps thousands of Kivana team members create long-term wealth. Justin Banner, Kivana's Chief Strategy Officer, was a former Vice President of Strategy at Zango and a member of the prestigious Executive Leadership Program for the Fortune 5 conglomerate, General Electric. Justin is an accomplished strategist who specializes in taking companies global. Rodney James, Chief Sales Officer for Kivana, was the former Director of Sales at the billion-dollar enterprise Nu Skin and the Senior Director of Marketing at Zango. Rodney is an elite executive who has taught thousands of people how to generate wealth and recession-proof their lives. We're thrilled that Kivana has attracted a staggering number of million-dollar earners in the direct sales industry and an incredible number of successful people that have become legends in their respective fields. More, in fact, than any other company in the industry's history. The question is, why would these incredibly renowned doctors, CEOs, attorneys, athletes, businessmen and women, and influencers be joining Kivana in record numbers? What do they see that others don't? They've learned to recognize an opportunity that capitalizes on the major trends of our time, and they also realize that opportunities with this much potential are a rarity. Each of these people is integral to Kivana's success. In fact, they're legendary for building massive organizations, mentoring new business owners, and creating millionaires. Millionaires who truly understand what it means to take control of their lives.